Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we will be removing the brake booster, and we will be removing the automatic pedal assembly. We'll be putting the manual assembly back on after we get the engine bay painted. Okay, so we are underneath the driver's side dash. First thing you want to do is come underneath here, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's a cable right here. Can't really see it right there. I already went ahead and removed it, but you want to go ahead and remove that, and we'll be able to start unbolting the assembly. There's various 12mm bolts. There's one right there, and then there's 4 right here that surrounds the brake booster. Or you can see 3 in the video, and then there's 1 up there, but you can't. Oh, there it is, up there. So you'll be removing those 5 bolts, and then we should, if I'm not mistaken, we should be able to drop the pedal assembly. When we drop the pedal assembly, we'll go ahead and get to the brake switch, which is up there, but we're just going to leave it there for now because we'll undo it when the pedal assembly is out and down on the floor. Actually, we'll be removing the brake switch because there is a bolt right above it that we need to get to, and that's the last piece to the pedal assembly that I forgot about. So we'll be removing this right here, brake switch, to get to that bolt back there. So as I was taking off the pedal, I actually forgot to mention that there's a pin right here on the brake pedal that you have to undo. You pretty much just get the cotter pin off, slide the pin off, and then it should come apart. After that, you can take the brake booster off, and then the pedal assembly should fall down. Okay, so because of the way my brake line is ran, I actually can't push the brake booster out because my brake line's hitting the shock tower. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the master cylinder. There's gonna be a 12 here and a 12 here. Simple as that. Remove it, push it to the side, and then we can pull the brake booster off. So the assembly is off and loose, but we got stuck on the steering column, so we're gonna take these 2 12mm bolts loose and give us some playroom. Okay, it's out. So the trick to when you're pulling this pedal assembly out, you want to slip the steering column. You want to put this down, and then you want to slip this part in between the brake and gas pedal, and it'll slide right through there and come right out. Okay, now that we have the brake and gas pedal out, we will be moving over here. There's going to be 2 12mm bolts, and all of this is just a cover for the clutch master cylinder to come through. So we'll just go ahead and remove that. After you undo the 2 bolts, tap on the studs, and it should come loose, like so. Just a little cover, and that's where your clutch master cylinder will go.